This is a room tour of room 2512, which is a king suite at the Horseshoe in Bossier City. And we just come here from Lake Charles. So it's the second Horseshoe in a row that I've stayed at. This one's a much older building, but I much prefer the room in here. It's sort of, I mean, traditional, but I don't mean that in a derogatory sense. It just feels a bit classier. So, bathroom here. I mean, it's sort of like a mini suite, this really. I wouldn't call it a particularly big one. Your safe is in there at the back. But it does have one unique factor in it, which I'll show you in a minute. It's all just luggage space, clothes space. Now the uniqueness is under here. I actually have a microwave and a fridge for my own stuff. Bed is over there. Looks nice. Now the one at Lake Charles, it sort of had very thin walls, and obviously, I mean, it's renovated from the old Capri Hotel. But this one just seems more sturdy and nicer looking, really, in general. Less IKEA, more Marks and Spencers. And that's the view. And once again on the 25th floor. They actually keep putting me on the 25th floor, which is basically one down from the nice rooms, really. So I'm almost there, but not quite, which is probably the story of my life. Anyway, over there you can see there's a number of casinos in Bossier City. Over there is Boomtown. And in the distance behind Boomtown is Diamond Jack's. I'm assuming that's a casino as well. Sounds like one anyway. Whether or not I go and get to see any of those, I'm not sure. We will see how we go. This is once again a comp because I'm diamond status. I mean, one thing I would say is Caesars really are looking after me across America here. They really are. It's literally one after the other. But no, I like this room. This will do me for a night for sure. So I will speak to you in the regular vlog. You take care.